Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. I'll warn you ahead of time. I might have to break it up because I got some Dolly mail from one person. I mean, so this is interesting because I guess it's just kismet or what have you, but I recently did a video about kindness, and I talked about how kind everybody is in the doll community, and then I get these two boxes from one person, and she is Blythe Clicks over on Instagram, so make sure you check her out. Her name is Andreas, and she has wonderful photographs of her Blythe dolls, and yeah, you should make sure you follow her on Instagram. So I'm going to start with the smaller box first. I have no idea. She didn't really specify what she was sending me. I was kind of thinking it was going to be maybe, you know, some Dolly dresses or something. I did not expect these two big boxes, okay? She did say boxes later now that I, you know, in our back and forthness, but still not something like this. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to start with this one first. So let's get into the first box. I've already cut the tape, and I think it slides out. Oh, okay. Oh, I gotta cut more tape here. Oh, and I got it. Okay. Alright. Oh, I see some Blythe stands. There's a doll in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo. There's a couple of dolls in here. Blythe dolls. All right. Let's on the top here. All right. So I'm going to open. There's so much in this little box. I'm going to open this box, and then I'll have another video for the other box. I just, you know, I don't want to make videos that are overly long, but wowie wow. Okay. Looks like she's got dark hair. Oh, what a sweet face. Blue, oh, look at this beautiful dark blue hair. I don't know, can you see the lighting? Is the lighting working? So she's a fakey doll, and she's got kind of a dark skin tone, not super dark, but a tan tone to her skin. Beautiful, beautiful soft hair and bangs. Let me go ahead. I'll put this back. Oh my goodness. So yeah, she's a cute doll. Girl, thank you so much. I mean, this is, so she's got his blue front facing. I don't know what to say. Side brown, front pink, and side gray. And, you know, I've been ordering some dolls lately, and as you know, if you've been watching any of my recent Fakey Blythe doll unboxings, it's because I'm into customizing now. So when I've seen them at a good price, I pick them up for the purposes of that. And so having some extra ones, though, I gotta say, her, look, I mean, that hair is beautiful on her. Okay, well, we have more in here, so let's see. We have somebody's curly hairs popping out here. Let me see her. Oh, she even has a beads on her pole ring. Oh, she looks like she might be customized. Yeah, look, she's got a tattoo on her leg there. Oh, and another one on her arm. Oh, this hair is amazing. And she looks like she's customized. Yeah, she's got eyebrows. She is cute. Look at that. She's got eyebrows, and her lips are a little bit downturned, painted pink. Let's see what her, oh, there's something on the back. Oh my goodness, look at the back. Look at that. How cool. Oh my gosh. I like the art when people do art on the back of the plates. Okay, so let me see her eyes. So she doesn't have sleepy eyes. She just has the pull cord is got beads on it. And she's got the blue, the side brown, the pink, and the side gray. She's got a really cute little pouty face, and those eyebrows are actually nicely done. They're very even. Oh, how cute. Cute. Alrighty, let's see who else is in here, because I see some other dolls. Oh my goodness, a bunch of dolls. Here's another blue-haired doll. Oh, she's got a cute little bob on her. Oh. See, what's nice about these little short-haired dolls with this, like this, is these are great for taking out and about. Let me show you. She's got, again, this beautiful electric blue hair, a decorated pull ring. It says Brittany on it. Oh, so this must be Brittany. Hi, Brittany. She's got these little stars. And, oh, so she's got art on the back of her head as well. There, you can see that better, I think. Oh my gosh, look. And now her front face has not been customized. Look how cute. Oh my God. All right, see who else is in here. Oh my gosh. All right, so we got, oh, here's a bunch of stands. Woo! A bunch of Blythe doll stands. Got a light pink, hot pink, like a turquoise blue, a darker blue, another turquoise blue, and 2 white stands. So very handy. Obviously I will be having new dolls to play with, and they need stands, so that is nice. All right, so we got, looks like 2 more dolls in here. Ooh, one of them has some wild colored hair. Holy cow. Woo, look. Oh my gosh, look at that hair. That is orange hair. Oh. So she's another fakie. Let me pull her off here. Super soft hair. Oh, she's got a, okay, so she also looks like she has, the back of her plate is decorated. And she's called Pumpky, P-U-M-K-Y, I guess for pumpkin, Pumpky Pop is what it says. How adorable. Yeah, I can see her being Pumpky Pop. That's some pumpkin hair there, that's for sure. Look how cute she is. All right, let's test out. She got the blue. The blue chips look really good with that hair. So what else we got here? We've got side brown. Oh, she has blue eyeshadow. See that? That's a little unusual. Whoa! Check it out. Look at her eyes. So it looks like they've been partially, some of these were partially customized. So because you know that those are not stock chips, that's for sure. Those are not stock chips. All right, so I'm not sure what the story is. Oh, and then the side gray. But it looks like somebody was starting to customize and then didn't for some reason. Don't know. Don't know the story. Okay, and then we've got somebody else. Let me put her in here. I have a little table here. I don't have lots and lots of counter space. So, and this looks like another redhead. And this girl looks customized. She's got some art on her bod. Woo! Look at that. That is some intense hair. Wowie! Wow! Wow! That's some hair. So she has some like tattoos on her legs. One is a unicorn with a candy cane. And the other one is a rainbow with little smileys on the clouds. And she's also got some, oh wow, beautiful artwork on the back here. She's got some artwork on the back plate. And then she has, the pull ring is decorated. Let's see. And the pull ring says Yaya. Says Yaya, and has like a little hand charm and hearts. Okay, all right, Yaya. And look at her face. So she's got a matte face already. Some of the fakies can come matte or shiny. And this is, wow, this hair is like holy moly. She would have been good to use when I did the Merida. She would be good. Maybe I'll turn her into Merida, because I have the Merida costume I made. So I could turn her Yaya into Merida pretty easily. All right, let me check out her eyes. So she has side-facing gray. She has front blue. She has side brown. And then the front pink. So, I mean, 5 dolls just in the one box. I don't even know. I am, as Jay would say, I am gobsmacked. I'm very grateful. I will make sure that they are loved, and that they get some attention in the Dolly sewing room here, turning into the Dolly studio customizing little tiny room that I have. Thank you so much. I mean, I check her out on Instagram, Blythe Clicks. She has some cute photographs of over there. Obviously, that's her gig, is the photography, which, you know, all of us enjoy that. That is a really fun part of the hobby. But it looks like that's her main focus. And thank you so much. I mean, I'm kind of, and there's a whole nother box. So, all right, so I'm gonna wrap this up here. Look out for another video that's going to show you what's in the other box. Again, I don't know if there's going to be more doll stuff. I don't know. I'm dying to know, though. I'm so curious. So I'm going to wrap it up here, and then I'm going to film the other one real quick. So thank you guys for stopping by. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Yeah, you know, I don't know what to say. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.